Are you serious, Shadow Freddy? Do you have to snore like that? Whoa! That was really loud. It was so loud, I can't sleep. Great. I cannot sleep because of my friend Shadow Freddy just kept snoring. Shadow Bonnie, is that you? That snoring sounds like a real grizzly bear growling and snoring at the same time. Shadow Freddy! Please stop snoring! Great, he can't hear me! So anyways, I'm just gonna try get some sleep anyways. Ugh. Shadow Freddy, would you please stop snoring so I can get to sleep around here? Oh, that's it. I'm sleeping somewhere else. I guess this spot will do. Great. Shadow Freddy just kept snoring. Kept me awake. Alright. I'm going to get some sleep anyways. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video of what we come up with.